Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to IT Knowledge. Today in this video you will see that how you can set a shortcut key for programs or software that you use in your daily life on daily basis like Google Chrome. In today's era everyone is using Google Chrome, means to say that Google is essential for everyone, that every person wants to get some information related to his field. So in this video I will show you that how you can create a shortcut key for the software or program that you use in your daily life. So guys, go to Google Chrome and right click on it. When you right click on it, go to the properties and then click on the shortcut key text box. When you click on the shortcut key text box, you can see that a shortcut key text box is present here. For setting a shortcut key for the Google Chrome, press the Ctrl Alt on your keyboard and then choose any specific word that you can remember. So for Google Chrome, G is specific that Google start from the G. So press G on your keyboard and then save it. Means then apply on it. It will ask the administrator permission. So continue it and then click on OK. Then click on OK. After clicking on OK, let's test it. So I am pressing Ctrl Alt and G on my keyboard. I have pressed it. In a few seconds you can see the proof. And don't forget to guys like this video and share this video and comment on this video. So guys, I have pressed the Ctrl Alt and G, and in this way you can see as a result that Google Chrome is open here. So guys, in this video you have learned that how you can create a shortcut key. So guys, following this method you can create any shortcut key for your programs that you use in your daily life. So guys, that was today's video. Like it, share it and subscribe and comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Until then, Allah Hafiz.